When it comes down to paper money versus gold, there's a treasure chest of reasons to consider converting a portion of your cash into precious metals. Interest rates remain low, meaning that your money in the bank earns virtually nothing. When you take inflation into account, cash might actually decrease in value over time. Gold, however, has long been seen as an excellent way to hold something meaningful and diverse over the long run. It's earned a reputation as a safe haven from volatile asset categories. For nearly half a century, the U.S. has operated with entirely paper-based currency. Gold, however, has been a global form of currency for more than 5,000 years. Whereas cash might be an uncertain asset, gold has proven to hold its value over the long term, making it an insurance policy in times of trouble. A fiat currency gains its value from the government that produces it. A nation's central bank can greatly affect the value of its currency through policies, regulations, and by printing more of it. By contrast, a nation's central bank cannot tinker directly with gold's trading price, though they do buy a lot of gold. The rising cost of goods and services can decrease the value of paper money. Inflation has not, however, had the same detrimental effect on gold. In fact, the value of gold has historically been lifted by high inflation. Acquiring gold is easy. One path you can take is buying gold at a local store. Advantages include being able to touch the gold and carry it out of the store once you've purchased it. But you may pay higher prices, find a limited selection, or be hit with local sales taxes. Or you could choose to buy gold online or over the phone from a precious metals company like U.S. Money Reserve. You can browse a broad inventory of precious metals from the comfort and convenience of your own home, and with the guidance of knowledgeable account executives. Take the next step in moving your cash into gold. Call U.S. Money Reserve to learn more about our inventory of gold coins and bars. Click the link in the description to download your free gold information kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio by purchasing precious metals.